Respected principal, teachers and my dear listeners, good morning everyone. Lesson. These conditions are as follows. Daniyat, the intentions, every act depends on intentions. On the day of judgment, all well deeds good day, therefore intentions. Therefore intentions is compulsory for a salat. The Taharat purifications, Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Prophet is help of the faith. It is the key to prayer. One should be Prophet before offering salat. To be able to perform salat, one's body clean and the clean must be clean and free from all impurities covering the part of the body. A particular part of the body is called Satra-e-Aurat. Satra-e-Aurat must be covered. For men and boys it is from the navel to the calves. Women and girls is different except their hands and face. The holy body should be covered. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.